Do you want to turn off picture-in-picture on TikTok? You can exit the floating window on TikTok with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To turn off picture-in-picture on TikTok, first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, find the video and enable picture-in-picture mode so that it appears as a floating window on your screen. You will see this type of floating window on your screen. Now, tap on the floating window once to show the controls. At the top left corner of the window, tap on the cross icon to close the picture-in-picture mode. You can also tap the exit floating or view in full screen icon on the right side of the screen. Once closed, the video will stop playing in the background, and TikTok will return to normal mode.